shut up.
Listen. I'm not here to keep quiet.
Why are you so concerned
I'm
that
here to
much?
open up everything.
Why are you concerned that much?
John, shut up, man.
Why am I concerned that much? I'm concerned that much because I love people that much.
Wena ga o itse go bua
I
ka
love you that much. That's why I'm concerned that much.
Hey, go bolela ngwana gore o na tseng ngwa monna a tsenya mapelao. Ke gone go wa monna tsa mmolela.
Ke lela gore ke ngwana. Ke lela gore ngwana o ile.
O bolela go ya.
Brother.
O bolela.
It's a brother. Yeah, I'm
nothing. That's nothing. That's a piece of shit.
It's a brother. What is that? To my younger sister. What is that? Can I have for a younger sister on PM? You know what from my mother. You're my younger sister. You know what? No, let me tell you the fair on honest thing. That is written in the Bible. Jesus says, in the Bible, what is in the Bible? Jesus says,
Ke sa video ke a go tsenya mo
his mother and his
YouTube.
brothers are looking for him. No, he says,
Yeah.
I don't know right now abuse right?
Oh, come on. Wa tla go ntshadisa mosadi wa mene.
What trouble ai? What is no?
Ebile a kena go itse. Wa tla go ntshadisa mosadi wa me ano ka.
Ora la go ra go bona ba re ba go ba rena ba